Cathy Mohlahlana is outside the hospital where members of Madiba's family have been spotted. Cathy, good evening. Give us a sense of what's been going on outside the hospital. We understand that members of his family have been spotted and there have been blue light vehicles outside.
Good evening, Dudu. What we've had happen here just a little earlier, there was a motorcade seen leaving the hospital, followed by an ambulance. Now, of course, it's speculation at this stage whether or not that motorcade was carrying members of Madiba's family. We understand that earlier on today in the morning, one of his daughters, Makaziwe, was seen leaving the hospital. But again, officials haven't confirmed that on record. Instead, what they are choosing to say is that Graça Machel, his wife, is by his bedside, and that they are limiting the number of people that are allowed to go in and see Madiba. They're trying to give doctors as much space as possible to help him recover speedily from this recurring lung infection.
Now, earlier when you spoke to presidential spokesperson Mac Maharaj, he said Graça Machel was by his side and that this gives him strength and comfort. Do we have any update on how he's doing, on his condition?
The latest that we have about his condition is what doctors told the presidency early this morning, saying that he is in a serious but a stable condition. Now, Mac Maharaj has been cautious to say that while they are giving him the best treatment possible, there are no guarantees. And so they're trying to ensure that the environment he's in is as comfortable as possible. At this stage, there's no word about any visit from officials. We understand that President Cathy Mohlahlana was seen here at this hospital a little earlier on, but his office says that he was here for a routine check at this hospital. It was a planned visit, and it had nothing to do with the fact that Madiba is also believed to be treated at this hospital.
Now, earlier while you were speaking to Mac Maharaj, he mentioned that President Jacob Zuma was in the Eastern Cape. What is the reason for his visit there?
Well, he's in the Eastern Cape attending to private matters. Due to what Mac Maharaj has said is that, as you can imagine, there's a lot of speculation taking place currently, especially on social media, whether it's Facebook or Twitter, people saying all sorts of things about Mandela's health. The presidency says any authoritative statements regarding his condition will come from President Jacob Zuma and the presidency. And until such a time that any statement has been made to that effect, people must know that Madiba is still in a serious but stable condition in hospital.
Cathy, thank you. That's where we'll leave it for now. We'll catch up with you a little bit later. That was eNCA reporter Cathy Mohlahlana, live there from Pretoria.
News that moves. eNCA.com.